Hello friends, in this video you will see how to create multiple histogram and subplot. So let's start to draw or plot multiple histogram. For this, import matplotlib library. Use this statement, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Here is my first variable a, which will contain elements 1, 4, 7, 12, 13 or 15. Another variable b contains elements 11, 14, 15, 17, 19 or 20. So to draw a histogram, use hist function and pass your parameters, it is a or b, and define your bins that are, first bin will be 1 to 4, the next one is 5 to 9, and next is 10 to 15. Use hist type equals to bar plt.show. So using show method you can display your histogram. Run your file. So here you can see your histogram is ready. For variable a, the frequency between 1 to 4 bins is 2. So it will raise or create a bar up to the 2 heights. The next bin will be 5 to 9 for variable a, and the frequency is 1. The next bin is 10 to 15, and the frequency for variable a is 3. For variable b, between bins 1 to 4, the frequency will be 0, so there is no bar, and the bins 5 to 9, the frequency is 0. No elements are vary between these intervals, and the last one is 10 to 15, so there are 3 elements which varies between these intervals. So the frequency of these elements are 3, so it will create a bar up to the height 3. So like this you can create your histogram. You can use stacked equals to true. If stacked is true, multiple data are stacked on top of each other. If it is false, multiple data are arranged side by side if hist type is bar, or on top of each other if hist type is step. Let's change hist type is step. See the difference. So it will create your histogram. So multiple data are stacked on top of each other. That's it. Now let's see how to draw subplot. You can plot more than one graph on a single plot. For this you can use subplot, row, then columns or index. Now let's create these subplots. Using subplot function, you can draw subplot 1, 2, 1. It means it requires one row and two columns at index 1. So here I want to draw a bar chart. The elements are 1, 2, 3. Next is 10, 20 or 5. In the same manner, you can draw another graph. plt.subplot 1, 2, 2. It means it requires first row and two columns at index 2, and draw the bar chart here by using the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 5, 10, 11 or 12. Run your file. So here you can see you can plot more than one graph on a single plot. So these are called subplotting. The first row and column and the index 0 and 1. So that's all about subplot. Thanks for watching this video.